Hey, Jordan. Uh, no. In some cases, yes, but in most cases, the answer of this is no. We use private lenders, and it's their cash that we use to close. But generally, what we do is we use private money or hard money to acquire and rehab a property. Banks do not like providing financing over properties that need work, which makes perfect sense because it is not good collateral for a long term loan if it's not already stabilized. So, what we'll do is we'll use that private money or hard money to purchase and rehab the house. And then we will make all of the necessary repairs. And once we get it rented out, we'll bundle some of these things together. And then we will refinance that with a traditional lender. Now, when it is private money or hard money, it is at a higher interest rate than you would expect from a traditional bank. So a lot of our hard or private money is anywhere between 8 and 12%, which I think is pretty standard. When you refinance with a traditional bank, we have interest rates anywhere between 4% and the highest here recently, I think, was in the high sixes. But as the interest rates continue to climb, those will probably reach, or hopefully not, but maybe even cross that 8% threshold. So when we are analyzing properties, we kind of do it twice, right? So there's one analysis that's done with private money, like what does that private money or the cash flow look like once the property is rented out at that higher interest rate. However, for the most part, if rehab is necessary for the property, then during the rehab time, we're going to have that loan payment, but the property's being worked on and we're paying a contractor. So there's no income on that property. So it's only on our books as an expense. However, once it's rented out at higher interest rates, the cash flow is going to be significantly smaller. But once it is transitioned over into that long term debt, then the cash flow increases as that interest rate lessens. So, one of the good things to remember about the market, especially in the conversations of interest rates, is the only impact that interest rates have on cash flowing rental properties, ones where you're not speculating about appreciation, you're not speculating about what the market may or may not do. Just if you're buying an asset specifically for it to cash flow, then the only bearing that the interest rate really has on your analysis is the cash flow. You're still going to have the same amount of appreciation. You're still going to have a similar amount of tax benefits, and you're still going to have the principal pay down. In this, nationwide conversation that is happening around recessions and interest rates, just keep in mind that of the four ways to make money in real estate, for the most part, the only immediate impact is cash flow.
Thanks for watching that clip. I thought that was a good question. And I think you can ask good questions too. Join us every Friday morning at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for a live stream Q&A where we answer plenty of questions just like this one. In the meantime, consider subscribing to the channel if you want more of this content. And if you want to increase your deal flow, analyze properties better, and help me feed my family, click the link below for a free 7-day trial of PropStream.